Unlocking the potential. Reactivating stem cells for renewed healing. Imagine a future where chronic diseases can be cured, where damaged organs can be regenerated, and where the aging process itself can be slowed down. This future could become a reality through the reactivation of stem cells. Stem cells have the remarkable ability to transform into different cell types and repair damaged tissues. However, as we age, the activity of our stem cells decreases, leading to a decline in their regenerative power. But what if we could unlock the potential of these stem cells? Scientists have been conducting groundbreaking research to find ways to reactivate and harness the power of stem cells for renewed healing. Through the use of innovative techniques and advanced technologies, researchers are discovering methods to rejuvenate dormant stem cells, allowing them to once again perform their regenerative duties. By targeting specific signaling pathways, scientists are able to awaken these dormant stem cells and guide them to repair and regenerate damaged tissues. This breakthrough has the potential to revolutionize medicine and open the doors to countless possibilities for regenerative therapies. Imagine a world where diseases like Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and diabetes could be treated by stimulating our very own stem cells to regenerate and repair the affected tissues. Preventions. By reactivating the regenerative abilities of our own cells, we could slow down the aging process and potentially extend healthy lifespan. Imagine a future where aging is no longer synonymous with decline, but with vitality and well-being. The road ahead is paved with endless possibilities, but more research is needed to fully understand the mechanisms behind stem cell reactivation and to translate these findings into safe and effective treatments. Through continued support and collaboration between scientists, healthcare providers, and policymakers, we can accelerate the development of stem cell-based therapies and bring hope to those with chronic diseases and aging-related conditions. Together, let's unlock the potential and power of stem cells. The future of regenerative medicine begins now. Thank you for watching this video on unlocking the potential, reactivating stem cells for renewed healing. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates on the latest advancements in science and medicine. Stay curious, stay inspired, and join us in shaping a healthier future.